Hi, I'm Tracey Knight. I am the Vice President of Client Success here at Trovata. For what that means here is everything after the sale. So I am responsible for onboarding, client support, and ongoing account management as well. We specialize in software that really fits in the middle of corporates and their banks, particularly when they're in a multi-bank situation, giving them an opportunity to use a software that will bring all of their data together across all of their various banks, all in one place, so that they don't need to log into multiple different bank portals. Previous to Rocketlane, we were just using Excel, kind of word of mouth, and a bit of Salesforce to manage our onboardings. We also have some internal systems like Jira and Confluence and would utilize those, but no one central place to manage the entire onboarding project. And so it was difficult as a manager to really get a handle on everything that was going on, the status of each individual project, which were ahead, which were running on time, which might be late, and hard to just manage it other than one-on-one meetings with each and every different one of my specialists working on projects. So that just made it much harder to manage, harder to even figure out when I need to hire and should be scaling the organization, how many projects each individual specialist can handle. So without a tool to really bring all of the different pieces of information together in one place, it just made management of the whole thing rather difficult. And Rocketlane was the tool that we chose to help manage onboarding much better. And it's been quite successful. We're happy with the results that we're seeing. We chose Rocketlane because we truly felt an affinity with the company. We felt that Rocketlane was in kind of the same growth mode and place in its life cycle as Trovata. And we found the response from the sales team and ongoing after we bought from the onboarding team to be wonderful. Our experience with Rocketlane has been very, very positive. What do I like about Rocketlane the best? Well, there's a couple of things that I guess I get from Rocketlane that I certainly didn't have before Rocketlane. One is one place to see the status of everything. And you see it in a couple of different ways. Graphically, I can just literally see it on kind of a chart, a line of what the whole project looks like and where or how much of that whole line has been completed. So I like being able to quickly glance at the system and see the status of projects. And then even still, right from the overview screen, being able to see another level of detail by the various tasks and which ones are outstanding and which ones are complete. And then being able to drill in further and get into the details and read even about the status of each, just as if I was meeting with my CSR reps. So it's a way that I can have more meaningful conversations when I have my one-on-ones with the team. We don't need to talk about every deal anymore, every project. Now we just talk about those that require my attention or where there might be some roadblock that I need to help break through. So I love being able to see the overall status of every project so clearly and completely right from the overview screen. Two is I like that we were able to create our own custom statuses that really match our company, so that not only am I able to see the whole list of projects, but see them grouped together in those that are progressing well, those that are blocked for a variety of different reasons, and we have our statuses set up to account for the most common blocked reasons, so that I can quickly see the whole portfolio of projects and then those that are in these various buckets. Not only that, but the integration with Salesforce is perfect. Every time a new deal closes in Salesforce, it automatically updates in Rocketlane so that there's no chance of us missing or somehow overlooking some new deal that needs to get started. So we can immediately schedule our pre-kickoff calls and our kickoffs and get going with each new client literally right after it closes.